My name's Andrew Lee. I currently teach at Nanyang Technological University in Singapore, but before that, I taught for 5 years at Central European University. But during those 5 years, I taught 2 summer schools almost every year, one in Europe and one in Asia. So the courses I offer include a panel data analysis, causal mediation analysis, and also an introductory course to data. The course that I'm going to offer for the MethodsNET summer school this year is panel data analysis, which I suppose is the course that I'm best at teaching. This course really caters to a wide variety of audience, including MA students, PhD students, postdoctoral fellows, professionals, or even more established academics. Because, well, think about it, as long as the data you use contains repeated observations of the same units across time, then you have panel data, and this, of course, is really for you. Well, nowadays, more and more people are using a panel data structure. So I think that's why this course has a wide variety of participants. Well, and in terms of learning outcomes, so there are 2, I would say. So first, of course, on the more practical side, is to help you get your research done, get your papers out, and hopefully eventually published. So that's objective number 1. And number 2, at the same time, I also hope that the participants will develop an appreciation of the science behind these methods. So that is also from my past experience. Well, some participants they have some experience with panel data analysis. However, they still come to this course to know more about the statistical or scientific theory behind the methods they are using. So I hope that is also one of the learning objectives we can achieve in this course. Interaction has always been a key feature of this course. So be it in the lectures and lab sessions. So these are very interactive sessions where students can ask questions at any point in time. Right? So they can just stop me and ask the question so that I can clarify their doubts on the spot sooner rather than later. And also on the last day of the course, we usually conclude the course with what we call the last day seminar, where some students at least will present their research or research proposals that use panel data analysis as part of the research design. And you see those seminars are highly interactive. So interaction is really something that applies to all parts of the course. In general, it is a very fun and enjoyable course to take. Just to give you an example, so usually on the 3rd day of the course, so we have a very interesting and very fun in-class activity. Right? So, and all past participants agree with that. For me, myself, even having taught this course so many times, it's still something that I look forward to every time I teach it. Right, so well, it doesn't mean that other parts of the course are boring, but this is just one example of the fun facts of this course. So I will not reveal what it is now. So if you come to take this course, so you will see for yourself on day 3.